it has been a while since I last posted a video. I think it's been around like a month and a half, but that's just because it has been crazy recently. I have had so much going on and I just wanted to sit down and kind of go through it, show you some videos, show you some photos of what I've been up to, because I've been doing some exciting stuff and I just wanted to share it with you. So I'm going to start off with like a few days after I posted my last video. So a few days after I posted my last video, I went to the Summertime Ball. I've been kind of doing for the bulk of the last few months. So at college, so I study media at college, as also English literature A-level. I decided to create a children's TV show for the media product because I think I want to become a children's TV presenter. So it would just mean that I would have like somewhere to show my skills as a TV presenter by creating my own TV show. So that's what I did. Oh my goodness, sorry, the angle just changed because my camera literally just fell over. That's what happens when you sit outside and just put your camera on the ground on a tripod that's not meant to work. Anyway, here's the trailer. I really hope you like it.
Oh yeah, first thing you need, of course, is...
Hey, good friends, goodbye. Poor old Michael. Here because...
Welcome to Wonder Kids.
With me, Kat.
And me, Louis.
Hope you like it. The link is in the description if you want to go watch the whole thing. Go show it to your siblings or your cousins or whoever is like a child and you think will enjoy it. So I went on a trip. As I mentioned before, I take English literature. So yeah, I went on a trip to go watch Hamlet because one of the plays that we're studying is Hamlet. And we watched it at the Globe Theatre, which was so cool. And it was a really like warm day. There was lemonade, like I bought it overpriced, but oh well, it was a really nice lemonade. And yeah, I just went with a few of my friends who are also taking English lit, and it was so good. So during the last like 10 weeks, so when I was doing my FMP, I've also been helping other people do their final major project. That's what FMP stands for. So I helped my friend Ben. So we ended up creating I think it's like just under 20-minute show in 10 weeks, which is absolutely mad. Like that's basically unheard of in the media industry, like a whole 20-minute show done in 10 weeks. But I'm actually pretty happy with how it's turned out, even though we were pretty rushed with time, well, 10 weeks as I mentioned. It turned out really well. So we have music performances, game show with some teachers, oh, what else? Oh, an interview with someone who's in EastEnders who goes to our college. So if you want to watch that, if that sounds interesting, because it was pretty cool to make and it was pretty crazy to make as well, go to the description and there's another link if you want to go watch it. I also helped my friend Mia make her FMP. Well, not make it, but I basically acted in it because she decided to make a short film. As you can tell, people made all sorts of stuff. Like some people made like photography portfolios for their FMPs, all sorts. Anyway, for her FMP, for her short film, yeah, I acted in it. I was one of the main characters called Luna, and it was like based on Romeo and Juliet. And here's some clips of me acting in her short film.
It's time to make peace.
Oh my goodness, I literally haven't acted in so long. That was it was actually kind of cringy watching back because I'm like, oh, I'm so used to doing theatre acting and not like watching myself acting back, if that makes sense. But thank you, Mia, for letting me be in your short film. That was a privilege. So something that hasn't happened yet, but it's going to happen this month, which I wanted to share with you, is I have been nominated for an award and I'm gonna go to the BAFTAs, which is pretty mad. I never thought I would say that in a million years, but it wasn't the video I posted last, but the video before that. So it was the vlog when I went to YouTube Space, and basically it was a vlogging competition. I mentioned it in the video. If you want to go watch it, it's in the link in the description as well. There's going to be so many links down there. But yeah, I went there for a competition. I entered into the I entered for the finals, didn't get to the finals. I was really proud of the video, but so it doesn't really matter. But I did get nominated for the most consistent vlogger. Honestly, don't think I'm gonna get the award because I haven't uploaded in over a month. You never know, I may win, but that will be pretty exciting going to the BAFTAs anyway. I've already got my dress, already got my heels, super pumped for that. So I think it was like last week or the week before, I actually did win an award. What? It was last week. I went to the Met award ceremony, not the Met Gala, completely different things. The Met stands for Mellor Educational Trust. So I went to their award ceremony. So it was like 4 people from each college who are part of the trust came together for an award ceremony. I won the Excellence Award, which is absolutely crazy. I'm so happy, proud, just thankful. Oh my goodness, because basically growing up I've always been average at everything and I have never won an award ever, literally. I've actually finished college now. It's the last day of school. It's the last week of college. I can't believe it's like already the last week.
That's crazy.
What? We've still got like another year next year,
Yeah,
but
it's a big thing, isn't it?
I know,
Our
like
last year here.
I remember opening my GCSE results
Crazy.
and it's already the end of like the first year of like sixth form college. Like, man, it's gone so fast.
We are halfway through college now.
Now that I finished college, I basically got a summer job. So for the next 10 weeks, I'm going to be working as a brand ambassador for a massive drinks company, which is so cool. And yeah, it's pretty full on. Like, I'm working from 9 to 5 for the next 10 weeks. I get 1 week off during the 10 weeks, but during that 1 week off, you're meant to use for like holiday, relax. I'm using it for more work. I'm doing work experience at a kids radio station, which I'm so excited for, but obviously won't get a holiday, but that doesn't matter. Like, I'm excited for that. What else is happening? I think that is it. Yeah. So I hope you enjoyed that video. It was kind of just me documenting what I'm doing and what I've done, because that's kind of what my YouTube channel is for now. It used to be for like DIYs, recipes. Now it's kind of just documenting my life, documenting kind of what I eat, just to share with other people. And yeah, I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, give it a big thumbs up. And if you haven't already subscribed, make sure you do so. Right, see you in the next video. Bye.